Can Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner really deliver a streak-free, water-repellent protective finish? Stick around as I put this product to the test on this very dirty car. You won't want to miss the results. So today I've got a bit of a challenge on my hands. I'm going to be testing out Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner on a very dirty car outside. Now it says it's a deep cleaning, easy rinsing shampoo with a streak-free, water-repellent protective finish. So let's give Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner a go. Now on the Autoglym bucket it doesn't have a measure, so I measured 10 litres by using a measuring jug first, then marking the bucket with a pen. Basically you split the A. Pour 2 caps full into a bucket and add 10 litres of warm or cold water. Hose bodywork to rinse any excess dirt. Always work on a cool surface, shampooing the car from the roof down. Do not allow the shampoo to dry on the car. Rinse well with clean water. Dry with a microfiber drying towel to prevent water spots. So, what's my thoughts on Autoglym's Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner? Well, let's take a look at the results. But that's not all. In car cleaning fashion, as usual, it rained. But at least now we can see the water repellent protective finish in action. Let's go and take a look. So what score shall I give Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use, and result. So based on my scoring, I'm going to give
Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner
a 9 out of 10. So what's your thoughts? Have you used Autoglyms Bodywork Shampoo Conditioner? If you have, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. So just before I go, I just wanted to ask if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, please. I've got around, I think it's about 87% of people who regularly watch the channel have not hit the subscribe button yet. So if you haven't already subscribed, would you mind just hitting the subscribe button? That would really help the channel grow, and I would really appreciate it. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.